Previously, we've looked at two samples that were unrelated to each other when running a t-test. What if there is a relationship between the two samples? We have a data set with 9 patients, each who were asked to rate their scale of pain from 1 to 10. The nurse came in and asked them to say neutral words and rate their pain, and then later came in and asked them to say swear words and rate their pain, to see if there was a relationship between what the patient was saying and their pain rating. The patients are related, or the same patient rated the first one 9 and the second one 7. So there's a relationship between the two columns in that they both came, each row, from an individual patient. These are dependent or related, so we deal with them slightly differently. Excel can still help us out. I'm going to go up to the Data Analysis Toolpack and use that to create a t-test output. Before I do that, though, I am going to write my hypothesis statements. There is no difference in pain rating between the types of words used. That will be my null. There is a difference in pain rating. Now, I'm not saying whether I think that one is greater than or less than the other. I'm just saying there is or is not a difference. Now that I have my hypothesis statements written, I'm going to go up to Data Analysis and choose another t-test. However, instead of doing 2 sample, I'm going to choose the paired 2 sample because there is a relationship between these variables. It asks me for input. Okay, so I can go ahead and in variable 1, I'll put in the neutral by clicking on the letter A. In variable 2, I'll click on B to put in the swear words. My hypothesis mean difference is 0. Again, I'm not giving it a specific difference of rating. And I am going to click the labels button because the first row is labels. The output is created on a new sheet and takes a moment. There it is. And looks pretty similar to the output we saw for the t-test of independent samples. We have our summary statistics on the top, and then we have our hypothesis output. Now, I am running a two-tailed test because I did not state one specific case. My p-value is here. I'm going to use the p-value. The p-value of 0.017 is less than 0.05. Therefore, the data supports the alternative hypothesis. There is a difference in pain rating based on the types of words used. You're welcome to also use the critical value method, but the p-value method is just a little bit faster. If there's a relationship between the subjects and the columns of data, be sure to use the paired 2 sample test. If there's no relationship, we just use the 2 sample test for means.